Pin Pinado? Is that you, Pinado?
Morning, sir.
Pinado, is that really you?
Yes, sir.
Pinado, let me ask you a question. When school went on holiday for the summer, what color was your complexion? Come on, Pinado, speak up.
I was kind of dark then,
You were
sir.
dark-skinned, Pinado. Pinado, this September morning, what is going on with your skin color? You're brown today.
Sir, I was in New York for the holiday.
Pinado, in most places around the world, the climate is summer. The climate is hot in the summer, right? So you can't come tell me about you come back cool, right?
I didn't come outside any at all,
You
sir.
didn't come outside any at all. AC can't make you so brown when you're dark skin. What you doing with yourself, Pinado?
Sir, I got to the doctor and he gave me a cream for my eczema.
Pinado, tell me the truth. Ludlow Pinado, don't lie to me. You're bleaching. You're bleaching, Ludlow Pinado.
Sir, I'm not bleaching. I just apply cream on my skin.
What kind of cream you apply to your skin? A matter of fact, don't call him. I don't care. Your mother know that you're doing these things, Pinado. Pinado? And look at your pants. They're tight. You don't have any room in them. How do you walk, Pinado? How do you walk?
But sir, I can't allow my pants to have room. Next thing, people who looking somewhere to live want to live in my pants.
Pinado, you're making wisecracks. Huh? We have detention and demerits for those things. You want to order mark in your skin today, in Pinado?